Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the term heuristic. Now, what exactly heuristic talks about it? Heuristics is actually a method for solving problems in a very quick way so that it can deliver the results in efficient manner or in a sufficient space and the given time constraint. Now, where does it comes to an existence? We know that we as an investor would like to do the investment into the respective business or wherever we would like to do. Now, as an investor, we have bias which comes into an existence. That means our behavior keep changes according to our investment pattern or according to the given situations or according to the locus of controls which comes into an existence. So how exactly these factors are getting affected? Heuristic talks about that. So now, sometimes heuristic can even lead to a poor decisions in case if you are not able to understand the situation properly, you're not able to understand your behavior properly, that why you're not able to save your money, why you're not able to do invest into your business efficiently, what exactly is making a hurdles into your business, or what exactly why you're not able to capture the market, why are you not able to take up a particular good decisions into your business. So all these factors are there which will affect your decisions. And as an investor, our decisions gets when our decisions of investment gets affected, we call that as a heuristic approach. Now, there are different kind of heuristic approach. Like the first one talks about is the representative. Now representative talks about that mental shortcuts to take decisions based on your past event or traits that are representative or similar to a current situation. So whenever we have gone through certain decisions into our past, and based on that, in case if we want to take up the decision something about the future, so here we are talking about the representative heuristic. Same way, we have availability bias also, or availability heuristic also. Now what exactly availability heuristic talks about? Like in case if we are the investor, when you go into the okay, in case if I am suppose I want to do the investment into a fixed deposits, so what exactly I would like to see, that which particular fixed deposit it is available, whether I would like to go for 1 year or 5 years to save my TDS, or in case if I want to go for 3 months or something like that. So I will see the availability which is existing, and based on that and based on my requirement, I would like to do the investment. So there are certain factors which affect the investors into their particular business or into their particular investment pattern. Then there are different there is a cognitive bias, there is a mental accounting bias. So many bias are there which we will be discussing into the next classes. Thank you.